Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanae, and if you're new here, thanks for watching my videos. Please hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video. And if you're a returning visitor or subscriber here on my channel, thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoy it. Please like this video. Let me know if you guys would like more hair videos on this channel. I'm still trying to find out what works for me, what I want to talk about on this channel. If you're considering micro locs, then this would be a video for you because you will possibly come across this issue with your hair. So if you are simply watching this video because you have lint in your locks and you're looking for a way to get it out, then this video is for you. Hopefully the method that I use works for you in your hair. If you have any tips on how you got lint out of your hair, please write me in the comments so we can chat. I'm open to new ideas. I'm still learning. I really don't know much, but I know my hair and I know how to, maintain it. But I have locks now, so it may be some things that I don't know that I could possibly use to help me. So hit me in the comments if you have some tips, okay? And let's go ahead and get right into the video. As you guys can see, I have a lot of lint buildup in my locks, and this is right before I put in the apple cider vinegar and baking soda mixture in my hair. As you can see, it's a lot of buildup. I be wearing my bonnet, y'all, but I'm gonna try to show y'all how I get it all out. Now applying some baking soda, apple cider vinegar, part water to my hair in hopes that it can remove the lint or kind of like get it out a little bit. I will be using this as well as a toothpick. I had currently 8 months locked, and having this as an issue now. So trying to remove buildup in my locks is going to help because this is my first time making it, but hopefully this is going to help to break up that dirt. If you want to see a video of me making this concoction to kind of help break up the dirt and oil and stuff in your hair, if you want to see me make a video on that, let me know in the comments. I'm paying a little bit more attention to my like perimeter and such because I've seen the most build up there. I see that like every day. So I'm just, going through them, putting the apple cider vinegar and baking soda on there just to kind of like work it in. So in hopes that, it just kind of comes right on out. I'm trying to work in sections to remove the lint in my locks. What I'm finding myself to do is kind of like go in and kind of like push the lint out with this. It does help, but you guys, I have 340 odd locks, and this is time consuming. So yeah, another con of having micro locs, but it's okay, just kind of do what you gotta do. I ain't really mad at it, but think about when you're a loose natural, you have to detangle. It's a whole lot with that process as well. So I guess, you just can't escape everything. When you have hair, you have to maintain your hair. It's just kind of stabbing the lint out of my hair like that, and just kind of rubbing it out. As you can see, it's coming on out. That gunk in my hair. And again, I have like 300 and so locks. So just, you know, just taking your time and just, you know, carefully not like messing up your lock, but just pushing that stuff right on out. It's gross, but I guess that's how I'm gonna have to do it. I mean, if there's an easier way, let me know in the comments, because let me know. The gray areas, I'm trying to remove all of those. Well, as many as I can, to be honest. So I was really trying to focus on this one. I see how it's like right there. I have a mirror here too, so I'm trying to like get it out. That's that. See. And kind of just push it out. This is the lint that PJ has pulled from the back of my head. I can't see the back, but he was able to get all this lint out of my locks. It's really a problem. I need to figure out a better solution because I can't have this in my head. This is my hair after I have washed it and got all of the apple cider vinegar and baking soda out. And this is my hair about a few days after the rinse. As you can see, it's not that much of the lint showing. This is the back. I wanted to show my hair at 9 months as well. So this is that video for you. And yeah, very much little to no lint. Because it's been quite some time that I've did my rinse, maybe about a week now, and you can still sort of see some of the gray areas in it, but it's definitely not as noticeable as it was. I would say the apple cider vinegar rinse helped me in getting out that lint and the gunk in my hair. I feel like it kind of pulled it to the surface, and I was able to kind of pluck it out better with the flossing tool. So if that is something that you have done or you are looking to do, I feel like it did help me. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Again, like and subscribe. If you found some tips that really resonated with you and you're going to go try them right now, then like this video. Make sure you share this video with your friends, your loc community, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe, share, repost, all of that good jazz. Make sure you come back so you can watch more of my videos. We're going to be talking about other topics, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Bye.